Hey, what's up everybody? In today's video, we're gonna be reviewing this KIMO 3/8 electric cordless ratchet. So I haven't even opened it. I bought it off Amazon. It's right here. So we're gonna open it up. Again, it's this KIMO brand and I got it off Amazon. I'll link it down in the description below, but let's open it up, see what it is and see how it works. Open it up. And I hope this is gonna be as good as I think it is. It's got a lot of good reviews on Amazon. So it comes in this nice little case. It actually comes with some sockets, believe it or not. I wasn't really expecting that, but that's okay. And here's the tool itself. Seems pretty decent. I'm trying to see if I can describe some of this to you. The rubber on it is kind of, it's not soft, but I don't know if it's, you know, you might want it a little bit harder just so it's a little more durable, but I guess, what would you call this? The kind of action on the lever there to use it, it feels a little bit cheesy, but I guess we can't judge it that poorly yet. The head on it, let's see, switching from forward to reverse. That action seems pretty good. And then obviously it's got 2 batteries. This does come with 2 batteries, you guys. Let's see we got any juice. So we've got juice, and actually, you know what, you guys? I take back my comments on this because I kind of just thought it was like one big switch that was gonna feel funny, but it's actually progressive. So it's not like an all or nothing switch. You can see if I squeeze it slowly, you can go slow or you can go fast. So also, of course, comes with a charger and a spare battery. So I'm gonna put this on charge because who knows when this thing ever got a charge. So throw this on charge, we'll put it right here. And I don't know if there's anything to tell you guys about the charger. Charger's pretty simple, red light, green light, I'm sure once it's charged. Go ahead and let's hook this up and let's see how it works in live action. So I'm not gonna use their cheesy little sockets since we've got a lot more of them here. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a 1/2 inch 3/8 drive, of course, and we got an engine over there, so let's go ahead and test on some of those bolts. So here we go, regular situation. Let's see. That would be to loosen it. And if we were gonna tighten something, we would switch it. You can go slow. See how much torque it has. So it does give you some fair warning, you guys, and it looks like you can still use it manually. Let's try it on a longer one here. Yeah, I think this thing's gonna come in handy for us, you guys. Look. You can really make some quick work of a lot of this stuff, and it's not noisy. That's one of the biggest complaints on my YouTube channel, Boosted Motorsports, is when we're trying to film like this and I have air tools and all of a sudden the air compressor decides it wants to run. That's what really kind of gets us here on this channel, or on my Boosted Motorsports channel, I should say. Let's see. And it kind of gives out, so it doesn't try to torque your arm, if you guys can see that. If I kind of give it full throttle on this thing, it lets up, so that is kind of good. Let's see about reversing, if it'll use its torque of the drill to... Oh, okay, that's pretty cool, you guys. So what I'm trying to explain is if you tighten something all the way down, it's not going to take your hand and wrench it and send it flying, but on reverse, it'll use the full power of this device. So watch, if I was just going here, maybe I got distracted and I was tightening something. Look, it stops tightening when it thinks it's tight. If you want to give it that extra little bit with the ratchet, you can, but this thing is on here tight. And then likewise, if I turn it to reverse, it's going to use the torque to remove this. So that is super cool. I mean, that's kind of cool that they put that much thought into this thing. So see how it's tight, it figures it's tight and it stops. It doesn't try to take your arm for a ride. And then to loosen it, and it moves really quick, you guys. Like this thread isn't the full length, but you can see. And there you go. It pretty much tightens it for you and doesn't try to take your arm for a ride. So I'm really happy with this, you guys. It's about as basic as it gets as far as review. I mean, there's not a whole lot to show you. I mean, it works. The biggest thing is going to be how long does it work and how long does it last for. They give you 2 batteries, so that's kind of cool. But as far as the actual function of it, I'm actually pretty impressed with it. And like I said, the fact that I can use this when I'm filming, and as soon as I let go of the trigger, it stops making noise. That is perfect for me for filming on this channel with Boosted Motorsports. If you guys haven't seen that channel, it's the other channel where we actually work on these vehicles here. So thumbs up for me, you guys. I'll link that down in the description below where you guys can check it out. It's pretty affordable. And it wasn't too bad. So if it works out, I'm gonna be a happy camper, but I'll keep you guys posted. If it dies or doesn't last or something like that, I'll definitely let you know. If you have any questions or you want me to do something different as far as a review, or if you guys want me to do a follow-up review on how this is working over the next course of a few weeks, I can do that for you. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure you give a thumbs up, subscribe. See you on the next one.